Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to a Linux server using Kerberos via SSSD. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your Linux server is properly configured for Kerberos authentication. Install the SSSD package if it is not already present on your system. You can use the package manager for your distribution to install SSSD. For example, on a Debian-based system, execute the command sudo apt-get install SSSD. On an RPM-based system, use sudo yum install SSSD. Once SSSD is installed, you need to configure the Kerberos client. Edit the Kerberos configuration file located at /etc/krb5.conf. In this file, specify your Kerberos realm and KDC, key distribution center, details. The format usually includes a realm declaration and a list of KDCs. For example, include lines like this: libdefaults, default_realm equals your.realm.name ticket _lifetime equals 24h default_tkt_scoring types. Next, you will configure SSSD to use Kerberos for authentication. Edit the SSSD configuration file located at /etc/ssd/ssd.conf. Make sure to set the right permissions for the file by running sudo chmod 600 /etc/ssd/ssd.conf. Within this file, include the following example sections: SSSD, services equals NSS, PAM config _file_version equals 2 domains equals your.domain.name. Domain/your.domain.name, ID_provider equals KRB5 auth_provider equals KRB5 KRB5_realm equals your.realm.name KRB. Edit the file /etc/switch.conf. Make sure to add SSS to the password, group, and shadow lines. For example, the line should look like this: add password, files SSS group, files SSS shadow, files SSS. After saving your changes, restart the SSSD service. You can do this by running sudo system to restart SSSD. Next, test your Kerberos setup before proceeding. Acquire a Kerberos ticket by running kinit your_username. You will be prompted to enter your password. Check if the ticket was successfully obtained using clist. If you see your ticket listed, the setup is successful. Now you can proceed to test the authentication to your server via SSH. Use the command ssh your_username at your_server_ address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.